Hi everyone, I'm Ashley Lopez, and my husband Kyle will be joining me as part of my audience, and he will be asking me the 3 questions for my impromptu speech.
Where would you love to travel? What is your favorite food? And what is your favorite animal?
I would love to travel to Israel, and there are a couple reasons why. First reason is they have the Dead Sea, and the Dead Sea I think would be a kind of cool, eerie place to visit. It'd be something different, and I hear the waters there contain spiritual healing powers or just healing that's good for your skin too. Another reason would be I would like to walk the places that Jesus has walked. That would be a great place for me to spiritually connect, I do believe, because I feel like if I can walk in the places that Jesus did, it would bring me a little bit closer to connecting spiritually. I'd be able to walk his last footsteps or visit the Sea of Galilee or even visit Jerusalem. I think these would be a great place to just visit or even have your family visit with you. And honestly, another reason is I hear they have really good falafel, and I like falafel, and I really enjoy hummus. And I think these are pretty native to that area. So I think having an actual, authentic, native hummus or falafel would be great. But my main reason would definitely be to connect spiritually with God. And I think it'd be fun for the whole family, and it would help me grow closer, I think, in my faith, just being able to see where Jesus had been.